with long golden hair that sparkled in the sun. Her name was Goldilocks. Goldilocks lived in a peaceful countryside, and every day as she went out to play, her mummy would say, "Goldilocks, remember, stay in the meadow and do not wander in the forest, or else you will get lost." But although she looked pretty and well behaved, Goldilocks was sometimes naughty. One day, when her mummy was not looking, she wandered into the forest to explore. Goldilocks went so far into the forest that she found she was quite lost. She was very frightened and was about to cry until she found a little cottage. Goldilocks peeped through the window of the little cottage, but she could not see anyone. She knocked at the door.